Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be talking about the benefit of eating kiwi. Kiwi have a lot of health benefits, and stay tuned and watch the video to the end to see the benefits. Kiwi fruits are filled with lots of benefits. One of the benefits are kiwi fruits. I always say that kiwi, when you are eating kiwi fruit, just be sure that you are eating the right nutrient, because kiwi fruits are filled with nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, potassium. They also have a lot of antioxidants and are good source of fiber. You know, that's kiwi for you. If you are eating kiwi, be sure that you are eating the right nutrient into your system. So one of the health benefits of kiwi is that kiwi can help treat asthma. And if somebody who is suffering from asthma, trust me, kiwi will help you to treat asthma. Eat kiwi more, just eat it more. Incorporate it more in your fruits is good. And the second one is a health digestion. So many people always feel when they eat, it doesn't digest. And it's a certain age that when you're eating also, they don't digest very fast. So with kiwi, that you're adding to your normal food that you take every day, it will help you to digest the food very fast. And the third is it boosts the immune system. Kiwi boosts your immune system. So make sure you incorporate kiwi in your menu all the time. It boosts your immune system, make it to be more stronger. This pandemic, you know what you need to eat things that will boost your immune system. So add kiwi to whatever you are eating. It will help boost that immune system for you. And the fourth, if I can remember, it reduces the risk of other health conditions. People suffer from a lot of disease in their system. A lot of things that goes into our system that people are suffering every day. But if you add kiwi to your diet, kiwi helps to reduce that health condition that maybe you are facing in life. Add kiwi to it, your diet. Just add kiwi. All those health issues will disappear. Okay. And the next point is it can also help to manage your blood pressure. Those who have blood pressure, those who have this high blood issue, it helps to manage it. It will really help you to manage it. So when you are eating kiwi, know that kiwi can help to manage blood pressure. So go for kiwi and try to add it into your meal, because since it helps your immune system, and when your immune system is weak, everything around you in your body is also be affected. So please eat more of kiwi. For those who suffer from high blood pressure, eat more of kiwi. It will really help to manage it. It also reduces blood clotting. Some people, they suffer with this blood clotting in their system. I always say that if your immune system is in order, if you're not eating the right nutrient, you don't take the right supplement that can help you. Some people say I don't like supplement. You need it, because you don't eat all what you're supposed to eat. So adding supplements to what you are eating, it will definitely help your immune system also. It will help your body to function well, because we can't eat all the nutrients we're supposed to eat in our food. But when you are adding some supplements to it, trust me, you find that the immune system will be kicking and strong, fighting all the bacteria, because we have weak immune system. So everything that come around us, we just get it. So please look for any good supplement and take it. Okay, go to your doctor and ask. If you need one, inbox me and I'll know I can put you through. Very important. You need supplement for your body. And I think you also have kiwi supplements. They are. So look for it. If you can't eat the kiwi raw, go for supplement and take them. But I advise you to go for raw and eat it. Natural ones are the best. And the next point is that it protects against your vision loss. When you are losing your vision, losing your sight, kiwi will help you, to manage that vision. So eat more of those kiwi. Eat more. I say if you cannot afford to be buying kiwi from the grocery store to eat, why not go to supplement and buy? So you always, take it. Try, incorporate it, and you will see that I'm telling you, you will love yourself. You will love your whole body. You will see how I always say that anything that you eat that is natural, I always bring here natural remedy. It's good. It helps you, because you know one thing: if you're not eating fruits, and doctor recommend us to eat at least 14 different type of fruits every day and veggie. I don't know who can tell me that I even eat maybe 5 a day. But if you can place your hands on variety of fruits, I'll tell you the truth that all that are not even organic. Because nowadays most of the fruits are being grown not under the sun anymore, but they grow it where you don't have enough juice inside. If you check your kitchen, your tomato that you are buying, check all of them, check the food that you buy that is not organic. They don't have enough juice, because where they were being grown is inside a house. That's why it's even good to go for supplements. So you find out that they are good, because our body needs zinc, our body needs iron. So go for any good supplement you can find that will boost your immune system, because you need your immune system to be in order to fight whatever is going on right now. You don't have good immune system, I'm telling you, when anything hits you, that is it. But if you are taking good supplement, your immune system like vitamin C, that's why I say go for eat more of the kiwi, because kiwi contains vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So eat more kiwi to fight anything that you have in your system. Because as for this cold, we are now entering into winter, and it's winter time. A lot of things happen. If you are suffering asthma, the increase is now more, because places are cold. So guys, incorporate all this I'm sharing in my channel. Please incorporate it in your lifestyle. I always say that a healthy lifestyle, eating healthy, it should be your lifestyle. Because if you are just doing diet for 1 week to stop, no. Just that I am having a healthy lifestyle. Healthy one is the best. When you have a healthy lifestyle, guy, I'm telling you, nothing will be too expensive for you to buy to put in your body. I always say you can put everything outside, but inside is not correct. Forget. You can decorate the outside outward, but the inside is what matters. When tomorrow you fall, do not say, oh, this one, see how he or she was shining. No. Inside was not in order. So put the inside in order so that the outside will be glowing. So stay tuned for my next upload. Having watched my previous video, people and try to watch it. Watch and see the benefits of eating avocado seed So it will help you. Avocado seed have a lot of health benefits. Go and watch it so you will see what is there and prepare it for yourself. You can drink tea, you can do a lot of things with it. But I know you have avocados in your chair, you keep on throwing it. You don't know the benefits of avocado seed. Please watch my video. I haven't subscribed to my channel. Please, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Come and join the amazing family so you keep on enjoying this Obonge remedy. Shalom.